equivalent multimeters can measure multiple functions.
AC current measurement. In the case of poor light, you can turn on the backlight. The line of the test is a leaf line, and a single line can be measured. Measured line is 0. You can measure a single line. The line of the test is ground. It has no electricity and cannot be measured. File, 0 line, right lines, cannot be measured together. Ground, file, 0 line, 3 lines together, cannot be measured. The wire containing 2 core wires cannot be measured. The line containing 3 core wires cannot be measured. The dust black of the test lead line can be pulled out. AC voltage measurement.
The millivolt shift value is normal and can be cleared.
MCV non-contact voltage sensing. Use a single test lead to measure the lead wire and weigh it a quick clip. Measure the 0 line moving sound. DC voltage measurement. Common resistance measurement display. Diode measurement. Detection of LED lights. Light on indicates that the light is good.
Other display to measure whether the line is on or off.
Common household appliance capacitance measurement.